Ayaw mo pa rin, ha? Dapat may tao doon.
Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to Camp CME. It's your buddy Guardian Airsoft, and today we've got something epic lined up. We're diving straight into a game of Airsoft Domination. Now, if you don't know what that means, let me break it down for you. We've got two teams, all decked out with gear and blasters, and our mission is simple. Eliminate the opposing team at all costs. And trust me, it's going to be intense. So grab your snacks, get comfy, and let's jump into this.
Butagis. Sir, pabantay dito. Meron dyan, oh. Wala pa rin? Ayaw mo pa rin, ha? Manja pa.
Alright guys, here's the scoop.
Kataas ng
Our
puno.
base is just right here at the parking lot of the White House, and I forward a bit and scan the area. I see whisper of bullet passing over me, and I see an enemy ghillie sniper lurking just up there in that massive tree. I position myself to get a better view and range to get that sniper. Gotcha. One sniper down. Better position again and take out those players hiding behind the flag.
Saan banda? Sako? Sako? Yeah, ito yun. Dito sa paleta. Bilog. Sa gitna. Pakibantayan yung gumagapang sir ah. Dito ako sa kanan mo. Pakibantayan lang dyan.
No way! I didn't see him coming at all. One player managed to sneak past everyone and just caught us completely off guard. And just like that, the game wraps up. What a wild ride. The sneaky player really flipped the script on us, but I gotta hand it to them. Great move. We'll definitely need to up our game next time. But that's what makes Airsoft awesome. There's always something unexpected. Thanks for hanging out with me here at Camp CME. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, subscribe, and let me know in the comments if you want to see more action-packed gameplay. Until next time, stay stealthy and game on.